Alright, learned many things this semester. You guys have already hit on a lot of these, such as focusing on objectives, assessment, and learning recount and reflection. Obviously, these things are very important to me. But the most important thing I've learned this semester is that teaching is like war. It's like war with these battle with these little Italians. What do I mean by that? There's a very wise man that once said, every battle is won or lost before it is ever fought. And obviously, some of you may know that as Sun Tzu, not exactly sure how to pronounce his name. But anyways, that kind of relates to focusing on objectives. We don't really have a plan, we're not structured enough, we must have some kind of target to aim for, without it we're lost. And we need to learn to make our objectives measurable, I don't know why I zoomed in on this, and obtainable. That's the focus. My first observation, I did not have, my first teaching and observation, I did not have objectives. I did not know what I was doing, it was a disaster. Know your enemy and know yourself, and you can fight 100 battles without disaster. Obviously, this relates to assessment, knowing yourself, knowing how your students did. I had a lot of fun making up creative ways to assess. Obviously, you guys hit them a lot of them, like bell ringers and X's slips. Also did little flip color cards, stuff like that. If you don't make assessments, you're asking for disaster. I didn't use that word. All men can see these tactics whereby I conquer. What none can see is that tragedy out of which victory is involved. And that goes to kind of like your reflection, your lesson recount, those things that didn't work, people didn't really see where you slipped up, but you evolved to the point where it becomes beauty in your teaching. So this semester we went from book knowledge to real world experience. Along the way we've adjusted and evolved into little teachers. If we continue to reflect on our choices, we'll succeed. And that is the end.
One question for Miles.
Did you have fun?
Lots of fun.
Was it interesting being by yourself, or would you rather have a teaching partner?
I would definitely rather have a teaching partner.
What did you learn with that one?
With that one? Responsibility and accountability is on this guy.
All right, thank you.
Thank you guys.